In this video, you will learn how to manage and add additional channels to your Arreya subscription. To begin, log in to your Arreya account. In your dashboard, click the Channels drop-down, and then click Create and Manage Channels. To create an additional channel, click the New Channel button. Enter the name you wish to use for the new channel. Channel names must be between 4 and 30 characters, must be lowercase, and be one word. The name can only contain letters, numbers, and dashes. When finished, click Create. Your new Arreya channel is now created. A quick reminder that new channels that you create will have a 24-hour trial period before they become an additional paid subscription. If you wish to log into the new channel, click the Login button in the Actions column. If you want to make your channel private, click the toggle in the Private column. Marking your channel private will make it so that only logged-in users on that Arreya channel, or people who you have shared the link sharing URL with, will have access to view the channel. If you want to manage the channel settings, navigate to the Actions column and click Settings. In the App Settings tab, you can add a project title, project description, a channel icon, and select a brand color for your progressive web app settings. If your Arreya channel is marked private, a Sharing tab will appear. In the Sharing tab, you can turn on link sharing. Once enabled, you can copy the URL and share it with anyone, which will give them access to view your private channel. You can also turn off link sharing to revoke access later. In the Security tab, you can restrict access to the channel by specific IP addresses. Restricting channels by IP address takes effect immediately, so be sure to check your settings so you do not lock yourself out of your Arreya account. In the API Access tab, you can generate and reset your API key. To learn more about the Arreya API, visit our knowledge base. In the Beacon tab, you can enable a Bluetooth beacon on supported devices. Enter the URL you wish to broadcast. This URL can be your Arreya channel URL. When you are finished managing your channel settings, click OK. Arreya keeps a log of every action in the dashboard by users. To access the event log, navigate to the Actions column, and then click Event Log. When finished, click the X or OK button. Arreya also keeps a log of every API call made using your Arreya channel URL and API key. To access the API log, navigate to the Actions column, and then click API Log. When finished, click OK. If you wish to delete one of your Arreya channels, navigate to the Actions column and click Delete. If you are sure that you would like to remove this channel, click OK. A reminder that once a channel is deleted, it cannot be undone, and any and all data within that channel will be deleted. Also, only sub-channels can be deleted. If you wish to stop the billing for your channel, you will need to remove your credit card. You can remove your credit card from the subscription page under the Management menu. Email support@arreya.com or call 319-294-6671 to cancel or suspend your account. If you are still experiencing issues with adding additional channels or managing your channels, be sure to visit our knowledge base or give us a call to talk with one of our digital signage experts.